Ever wished your videos had those clean motion graphics, like moving charts, maps, or stats, but you just don't have time or a designer for it? What if I told you you can create all of that automatically just by typing what you need? I know how frustrating it is. You've got great video or content, but it feels plain and too basic. You try adding visuals, transitions, maybe some Canva animations, but it still doesn't look professional. We've all been there, right? Now imagine if you had your own AI motion designer that could turn your words into ready-to-use motion graphics instantly. No design tools, no editing software, nothing complicated. Well, meet Hera AI, an AI motion graphic designer, the tool that makes all that possible. Welcome back to Software for Creators, a channel where we help you create content better, faster, and smarter. If you're new here, make sure to subscribe. And for today's video, I've got a special discount, so stick around till the end. In this video, I'll show you exactly how Hera works, how you can create beautiful motion graphics from text, edit them in seconds, and use them in your videos without hiring anyone. So, what exactly is Hera AI? Think of it like ChatGPT, but for motion graphics. Instead of generating text, it generates animated visuals instantly. You can create stunning motion graphics in two simple ways. Type your idea, for example, a 3D bar graph comparing 2024 versus 2025, a world map highlighting Great Britain, or an animated pie chart showing revenue growth, or pick from templates. Trending motion styles you've already seen on social media, like infographic reveals, text highlights, and dynamic chart animations that make any video look polished and professional. In short, you tell it what to make, and Hera designs it for you. Now, why is Hera AI so good? Because it's built for creators who want to make their videos engaging without hiring a designer or learning After Effects. Number one, it's super simple. Just like ChatGPT, you just have to type something like create a bar graph, make a pie chart, or animate this text, and it does it for you in seconds. Number two, they already have a huge library of ready-made motion graphic templates, the kind you see in viral videos and ad reels. Number three, it supports all aspect ratios, 16:9, 9:16, or square, perfect for YouTube, Reels, or ads. Number four, it's fast and super easy to use. No lag, no complex software, just a chat box and your imagination. And you will get results in seconds. Number five, you can edit everything by either typing in chat box or doing it manually, like change the text, colors, or animation style to match your video or brand. Alright, let's actually create something and see how it works. But before we start, make sure you've created your account using the link below and logged in. Once you're in, you'll land on the main dashboard with a simple chat-style interface. We'll try both methods, text prompts and ready-made templates. Method 1, using text prompts. Now, let's make a few motion graphics just by typing. In the chat box, type, create a bar graph showing world population from 2015 to 2025. Hit enter and boom, a smooth animated bar graph that looks accurate and professional, exactly what you'd expect from a real motion designer. Next, let's try a pie chart. Type, create a pie chart showing how a person spends time. 40% work, 30% sleep, 20% mobile, and 10% fun. Hit enter again, and within seconds, you get a clean animated pie chart that perfectly visualizes the data. Lastly, let's try a map animation. Type, create a map animation highlighting Japan in red. It instantly generates a neat polished map animation that highlight the Japan really well. Method 2, use templates. Now let's try the second and more visual method, templates. Click on templates from the sidebar and you'll see a full library of ready-made motion designs. Trending styles like infographic charts, highlight text reveals, and dynamic explainer elements that creators use every day. Scroll through and pick one you like or need. For example, I'll choose this highlight text animation that's perfect for commentary or explainer videos. Preview it, and if it looks good, click Use Template. You'll now see edit options. You can change the text, colors, or timing right in the chat. For example, type, Hera AI is the future of motion graphics, said content creators, and highlight the text, future of motion graphics. Hit enter, and there it is, your custom motion graphic ready to use. And that's it. That's Hera AI, your own AI motion graphics designer. With just a few words, you can turn any plain or boring video into something rich, informative, and visually professional, whether it's an explainer, news style, or even a faceless video. So if you want to make your video stand out, save hours of editing, and add professional motion graphics without hiring anyone, definitely give Hera AI a try. You'll even get 5 free generations to test it out. And if you go through the special link in the description, you'll also unlock an exclusive 15% discount when you upgrade. Trust me, once you try it, you'll never go back to making videos without motion graphics again. Alright, let's quickly talk about pricing. If you're just starting out, the standard plan at $20 a month is more than enough. You get 200 prompts, no watermark, full HD exports, and up to 30 map animations per month. Perfect for creators making explainers, YouTube videos, or client projects. Then there's the Pro plan for $40 a month, which basically doubles your limit, 500 prompts, 4K exports, collaboration features, and even advanced map highlighting. If you create content regularly or work with a team, this one's the sweet spot. And for power users or agencies, the Mega plan gives you unlimited prompts, unlimited exports, and every premium feature, so you never hit a limit, no matter how big your workload gets. Finally, for larger companies, there's an enterprise plan with custom pricing, dedicated support, and even custom-made on-brand templates. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell so you never miss a video. See you next time.